Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Tune 215 wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your Android phone. And first we have to go to the settings, and after that we have to go to connected devices. Here we have to click on pair new device, and now we have to remove our headphones from our case. After that our headphones should automatically go in pairing mode, but if they don't, we have to hold our finger on these buttons for 3 seconds, they will turn off, and then we have to do the same and they will turn them back on. As you can see, we have our headphones on our list, so we have to click on them and then click pair. And that's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.